Today at Happy Feets and Paws, Japanese Strawberry Shortcake. This recipe calls for cake flour. However, I don't have cake flour, so I will make use of cake flour substitute. Let's combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Let's remove 2 tablespoons of it. Then let's add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Let's sift this for about 2 to 3 times. Let's give it a whisk. Then let's put this on the side and let's make our egg mixture. For our sponge cake, we will combine 4 eggs at room temperature. It's important for our eggs to be at room temperature so it's easier to whisk. I will put our eggs over our hot bath with half a cup of sugar. Then we will give it a whisk until well incorporated and until the sugar dissolves. Make sure that the mixing bowl is not touching the hot water. Otherwise, you will get cooked eggs and you don't want that to happen. Now we are going to transfer this into the bowl of our stand mixer. We will set this on high until the volume of our egg mixture doubles and becomes frothy and smooth. While that's whisking, let's combine 3 tablespoons of whole milk, 3 tablespoons of canola oil. Then let's add a tablespoon of honey. It's getting there! Now to test when the batter is ready, when you draw and the trail takes a while for it to go away, that means the batter is ready. Now I'm going to set the speed to low to pop or remove the bubbles. And you will start to see the batter become smoother. I think that's done. Now let's fold our cake flour. We are gradually going to add our cake flour. We are going to fold this slowly so our egg mixture do not deflate. Oops, I forgot my salt. I think salt enhances the sweetness of the cake. I am going to add a little bit of the batter in the mixture. We don't want our batter to deflate. So we will slowly pour this to our batter. And slowly fold it, just like so. I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It will be awesome! I'm using my 7-inch and 1/4 bowl lined with parchment paper. Now we will tap this on the bench top to pop the bubble on the surface. Let's bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here it is! We will tap a couple times to prevent it from shrinking on the top. Let's make sure it's cooked on the inside as well. Yes, it is. Now let's have this cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove this slowly. Now it's time to decorate our sponge cake. Look at that! First off, let's trim off the uneven top. Let's discard the scraps. Slowly slice this in half. Bella, yay! You can watch my YouTube shorts on how I made my whipped cream. Now let's put some in our piping bag. Let's pipe our cake. Doesn't need to be perfect because I will spread the whipped cream anyway. Now let's use our spatula to even out the top. Alright. Now let's add our heart-shaped strawberries. Oops! Let's add some bits and pieces of our scraps that I cut into small pieces. Let's layer it again with more whipped cream. Let's add the second layer and let's repeat the process until the entire cake is covered with whipped cream. It's coming together. Let's cover all the gaps and holes. Bella, I think I'm gonna try and make a rose. Let's see if I can do it. Looks like a rose to me. Now let's put this in the middle. Now let's clean up the side. Ta-da! And there you have it, my Japanese strawberry shortcake. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Mga unta!